I believe Pinterest is one of the most powerful tools in marketing today. It's a search and discovery engine that can bring traffic to your website month over month, year over year. As the largest Pinterest management and marketing company, we aim to help businesses start, grow, and scale their marketing using Pinterest. We bring you the latest Pinterest updates, changes, and news through our weekly newsletter, blog posts, podcasts, and interviews with others in the industry who are rocking their Pinterest marketing. In 2014, my family was struggling to make ends meet due to the lingering effects of the recession. Knowing just a bit about the online world and Facebook marketing, I stepped into Pinterest marketing as a way to help businesses get more traffic. With very little resources or tutorials, I dove in head first to learn and master Pinterest marketing. With just 3 beta clients, I learned not only how to get more traffic from Pinterest, but how to serve clients in a way that made them feel seen, heard, and valued. Today, more than 100,000 people have grown from that leap of faith I took back in 2014. Through our weekly teaching on the Simple Pin podcast, as well as the live stages of events like Social Media Marketing World, I've helped people see that Pinterest can be a powerful tool in their marketing plan. Simple Pin Media is guided by 7 core values. These values guide our hiring, training, and assessing team members to ensure they are in the right place within our team. Our core values are communication, initiative, reliability, adaptability, professional, uplifting, and authentic. These are not just words on a wall or a pretty postcard. They are the values by which we measure all of our efforts. Our goal is to help your business get more traffic, sell products, grow your email list, and more using Pinterest. We do this by providing you with the latest Pinterest marketing news paired with proven, sustainable strategies to help you grow your Pinterest traffic and brand awareness without feeling overwhelmed. We gather data from our client work and build case studies that help us understand how Pinterest works for each niche. That helps us cater our teaching so we're bringing you only the information we know works. So how can you work with us? We have 2 options. A do-it-for-you option. This includes our ongoing monthly management or promoted pin services, as well as our one-time services. Or if you're the DIY type, we have a membership community, the Simple Pin Collective. This is where we help you learn, grow, and master your Pinterest marketing. Simply visit simplepinmedia.com to find more information on our services as well as our membership community. We look forward to serving you.